Hello children, today I will start a new chapter, that is the revolt of 1857. This was the first revolt started by the Indians against the Britishers. So before getting knowledge about the revolt of 1857, let's have some knowledge how European traders they strengthened their base in India. As we know that India is famous for its riches since ancient times. Its spices, cotton, silk textiles, gold, pearls, etc. were also world famous. These articles were highly popular in other countries. India had been carrying on trade with countries like Rome, Greece, and Arab Empire. Arrival of European traders. European countries they decided to trade with India about 500 years ago. The Portuguese were the first among them. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, was the first European who discovered the sea route to India via the Cape of Good Hope in the year 1498. Remember children, about 500 years ago. So his ship landed at Calicut in Kerala. Soon the Portuguese had a monopoly over the spice trade from the ruler of Calicut. Okay, they wanted monopoly. Monopoly means they wanted that. So Portuguese had a monopoly over the spice trade from the ruler of Calicut. Children, here monopoly means wanted to be a single seller or unique seller. Therefore, Portuguese did not want any other seller. Okay. So Portuguese fought against the Arab traders and drove them away. Children, in order to strengthen the British rule towards the end of the 16th century, other European countries also decided to exploit Indian shores. The Dutch, British and French tried to gain a foothold in India. They wanted to strengthen their base in India. In the end, the British came out victorious and succeeded in throwing out every other European powers from India. In 1600, a British trading company by the name of East India Company established its first trading center at Surat. Which was the first company? East India Company. Trading center it is at Surat. Later, with the permission of the Mughal Emperor Jahangir, they set up their trading centers at Chennai, Kolkata and Mumbai. They had huge godowns at these places. Later on, they built forts and started keeping their own army with the excuse to protect these godowns. But the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Dowla, objected this. He demanded their removal, but the British refused. The Nawab declared war against the British. A big battle was fought at Plassey on 23rd June 1757. The Nawab was defeated and the British became very powerful in Bengal. They trained the Indian soldiers and employed them in their army. The Indian soldiers in the British army were called sepoys. Children, look at this picture. This is the snapshot of Battle of Plassey, which was fought between Britishers and Nawab of Bengal in the year 1757. So thank you children. See you in the next class.